Google has unveiled the brand new Pixel 4 flagship, but sadly, it's not coming to India. Well, let me tell you why. Hey guys, this is Upesh from Beebom.com and this is the brand new... Hey guys, this is Upesh from Beebom.com and Google officially showed off the new Pixel 4 flagship last night, and well, all the leaks were true. Yes, the Pixel 4 looks exactly like what we saw in the leaks and the teasers, and it brings all the features we kind of expected and kind of knew. You get the 90Hz OLED dual cameras with a lot of cool new camera features, more RAM, faster Google Assistant, 3D face unlock, but the highlight here has to be the new Project Soli radar chip that brings motion sense features to the Pixel 4. And well, this is the reason why the Pixel 4 is not coming to India. First, let me tell you what Project Soli is. So Soli is a sensing technology that uses a miniature radar to detect touchless gesture interactions, and well, the top bezel in the Pixel 4 features this Soli radar chip. Now this radar chip in the Pixel 4 detects the different hand gestures and brings different cool features to the Pixel 4. I mean, yeah, a little gimmicky, but cool. Thanks to the radar chip, the Pixel 4 will detect when you're close to the phone to unlock it. It will lock the phone when you go away. It will lower the ringer volume as you get close to pick it up. And you'll be able to do this to change tracks on the Pixel 4, snooze alarms or reject a call. And yeah, you'll also be able to say hi to Pikachu and other Pokemon. Okay, so how does Project Soli stop the Pixel 4 from coming to India? Well, remember the leak that showed that the motion sense technology on the Pixel 4 will only be available in 53 countries at launch, and India wasn't in the list of the countries? Well, the leak was true. See, the Pixel 4 Soli radar chip uses the 60 GHz frequency, and this is a frequency range that's available for public and commercial usage in the US and other supported countries. However, in India, the 57 to 64 GHz frequency range is something that's not available for public usage, and Google just failed to get the permission for the same from the Indian government. So is Google not bringing the Pixel 4 in India because the motion sensing features are not available? Well, I think there's more to it. I mean, the Pixel 4 will be available in countries like Japan, where the Project Soli radar chip is not supported. So what other reason does Google have to not bring the Pixel 4 to India? Well, here's Google's very vague, super vague official statement for the same. Yeah, that is super vague. And I think the other reason why the Pixel 4 is not coming to India is because of the fact that simply the Pixel brand hasn't been a success in this country. I mean, all of the Pixel phones before the Pixel 4 have been super flawed. The Pixel 1 looked outdated, the Pixel 2 had display issues, and the Pixel 3, well, it had this huge ugly notch. The more affordable Pixel 3a has been a success for Google overseas, but in India, its insanely high price tag has made it an impossible sell. So it's clear that Google did not launch the Pixel 4 in India because of two reasons. First, its highlight feature Project Soli not being supported in this country. And second, well, the Pixel brand just hasn't taken off in India. I mean, let's face it, even without these new motion sense features, the Pixel 4 with its improved flagship cameras, new fast face unlock, a smoother display is a flagship phone that I would have loved to check out. So yes, this is disappointing. Yeah, all of that is sad, but there's one good news in all of this. The Pixel 4 brings a new Google Camera 7.0 app with features like live HDR, dual exposure controls, improved portrait mode, and night sight with astrophotography. And well, at least that's something we can try with the new Gcam 7.0 mod. So if you want to check that out, head to the link in the description. Well, that's pretty much it. Anyway, what do you think of the Pixel 4 not coming to India? Are you disappointed? Are you okay with it? Or are you happy? If you're an iPhone user, just tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and make sure to share it with your friends who have been waiting for the Pixel 4 to arrive in India. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.